guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I have a unit from, and this is from All Nice Wig, guys. This is all the wig came with. So this is what came with the wig, a wig cap, and some lashes. A little headband that you can put around. So this is the wig you want. It is their 24-inch straight human hair wig, and has a comb at the back, a comb at the back right there, an adjustable strap. See the adjustable strap right there, and an additional elastic band. See right there, you go ahead and have 3 hooks so you can adjust it to your liking, and 2 combs in the front and 1 in the middle. So this is all the lace is looking. You put it on. So this is how it looks. So that is how that is looking. The lace right there is looking. I think you can open and do some side parts. So the price is $119, and you can get free shipping in the US and Dubai. So yeah.
I am adding some powder to the lace. Now I'm pulling the hair to the back in a ponytail, and then I'll go in and remove the excess lace before I go in and lay the lace and do all the good stuff.
Daisy, she is my whole world, she is my heart.
I'll go in and cut the lace in 3 so it is easy for me to work with. I'll be using the Got2b glue on the bedded spray to lay the lace.
Dreams, honest and true, put this for you, Daisy. My heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy. My beautiful baby. Stressed out, you couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful, I don't want nobody else. And
the finished product, guys, and as I previously stated, the unit is from All Nice Wig, and it is their 13x4 lace front straight human hair wig. The price is currently $119.99, and you get free shipping to Canada and the US if you purchase from their website. So I don't really have nothing bad to say about this wig. It didn't tangle nor sheds a lot, just basic shedding, which you can expect it. It lays nicely, it feels natural. I didn't want to go in and overdo the baby hairs to take away from the naturalness of this wig, so the link to this unit will be in the description, guys. If you're interested in this unit, you can go and check their website out, guys. You don't even have to get this unit. You can check the website for other units that you might be interested in. So guys, I do appreciate you all. So thank you for watching. As always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, guys. Bye.
From your fingers, stilettos, natural.